guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today's video is magluluto tayo ng abalone soup. So, nakikita nyo, this is an abalone. So, meron po ako dito, mga ingredient is, meron po ako dito chicken broth and straw mushroom and boneless at saka yung yung abalone. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is ikakat natin to. So, yun guys, ilalagay na po natin broth. Naga-ice pa po siya. May ice pa po. Ayan ang ating chicken broth. So, ang ating chicken broth, ayan, tayo lang natin kumulo. Natimpla ko na po yan. Mayroon na po yan salt, white pepper, or naanohan ko na yan dati. Yes. Yung fridge ko na lang po siya. And kulo na po siya. Add na natin ang ating boneless. Next is the straw mushroom. We need to wait until it's boiling again. So next is we need to add the abalone. So, kulo na po siya. So, i-add lang po natin ang ating main ingredient, ang abalone, together with the soup. Then, after that, wait until 5 minutes. So, after 5 minutes, ready na po yung abalone soup natin. So that's all for today's video, guys, for my abalone soup recipe. So if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button for more updates and more videos to come. So keep safe always. Have a good day. Bye.